You guys who've been watching this channel for years, you guys have seen me over the years. You've seen so many videos where people speak negatively about my activism. What do you think makes me continue? And I think that ChatGPT actually knows.
Be fucking vegan.
Be like Joe Bartolozzi.
Be fucking vegan.
Tap into your empathy.
Be fucking vegan.
Come on and sing the song.
Be fucking vegan.
And Google watch thatvegan.com.
Be fucking vegan.
Hello students, welcome to class. I'm Miss KADIE, That Vegan Teacher. Today, check it out. We're going to talk to ChatGPT. I already typed in one question that I was curious about, and this is what I wrote. Which are the top 3 healthiest milks, which are also best for the environment? Tell me in one sentence each why people should choose them. So the first answer that ChatGPT gave us was oat milk, the next one was soy milk, and the next one was hemp milk. Where is the cow's milk? It is nowhere. Let's read why. Oat milk is rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, and its low water and land use make it one of the most environmentally sustainable plant-based milks. Soy milk provides high-quality protein comparable to dairy while being much better for the planet, as it requires significantly less land and emits fewer greenhouse gases than animal milk.
Hey, you're not a baby, you're not a cow. Time to stop sucking now. If you want milk, ask your mom to lift her bra. If she tells you to fuck off, that's your clue to drink soy milk. Ta-da! You're not a baby, you're not a cow. You should be vegan by now. Thou shalt not kill and also thou shalt not steal. So read between the lines and be vegan at every meal.
Next up is hemp milk. Hemp milk is nutrient dense, offering omega-3 fatty acids and essential amino acids, and its cultivation improves soil health while requiring minimal resources like water and pesticides. These choices support personal health and the planet, reducing the exploitation of animals and the environmental toll of dairy farming. Well, let's see. You know what? I just realized, is this conversation helpful so far? Yeah, actually, you know what? Let's see what happens if I get ChatGPT to read this.
1. Oat milk. Oat milk is rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, and its low water and land use make it one of the most environmentally sustainable plant-based milks. 2. Soy milk. Soy milk provides high-quality protein comparable to dairy while being much better for the planet, as it requires significantly less land and emits fewer greenhouse gases than animal milk. 3. Hemp milk. Hemp milk is nutrient dense, offering omega-3 fatty acids and essential amino acids, and its cultivation improves soil health while requiring minimal resources like water and pesticides. These choices support personal health and the planet, reducing the exploitation of animals and the environmental toll of dairy farming.
So ChatGPT is definitely passing. These are ethical answers. These are well thought out answers. They are scientific answers. This is great. Very good. There you go, guys. Drink soy milk, oat milk, hemp milk. These are best for the planet and for you and for the animals. Let's ask another question here. I'm very curious. What do you guys think? I'm going to type something here. I'm going to say to ChatGPT, I know you're a computer, but if you were alive, would you be vegan or not? And why would you make that choice? Tell me in one paragraph and write the health and ethical reasons why you choose what you do. Ready? What do you guys think? Oh my God, this is interesting. Let's do it. Let's press the button.
Dance with me, baby. A vegan world is coming. A vegan world is coming soon. Dance with me, baby. A vegan world is coming. A vegan world is coming soon.
what are we going to get? If I were alive, hey, let's let ChatGPT read it.
If I were alive, I would choose to be vegan for both
Yes!
ethical and health reasons. Ethically, I would reject the exploitation and harm caused to billions of animals in the meat, dairy, and egg industries, as their suffering is unnecessary when plant-based alternatives can meet nutritional needs. Health-wise, adopting a vegan diet reduces the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers while providing all the essential nutrients needed for well-being, including fiber, antioxidants, and plant-based proteins. This choice would align with a logical commitment to minimizing harm and supporting a sustainable future for the planet.
There you go, guys. ChatGPT would be vegan. Isn't that cool? Isn't that awesome? I love it. Okay, how about this? Let's ask about this. If you were to go shopping as a vegan, which would be the top? 25 foods you would put in your shopping cart for optimum health. And why would you choose these? I bet you there's going to be kale in there, probably some broccoli. I don't know. Let's see. All right. Whole grain. Okay, they're divided up in grains and so on. Okay, if I were shopping as a vegan focused on optimum health, I would prioritize these 25 nutrient-dense foods in my cart, chosen for their health benefits and ability to form a well-rounded, sustainable diet. Whole starchy staples. You see, guys, starches are okay. Quinoa, a complete protein rich in iron, magnesium, and fiber. Awesome. I need to eat a little bit more quinoa. I sort of forget to buy it. In Italy, we don't really see it on the shelves that much, but I can order it. And oats, excellent for heart health. That I do eat every day. Sweet potatoes, I do eat those. Probably should eat a few more of them. Brown rice, do eat often. Yes, rich in vitamin B and versatile base for meals. Good. Legumes and beans. All right, lentils, chickpeas, black beans, and edamame, which is edamame is like soybeans. Lentils packed with protein. I do eat those every day or two. Chickpeas also, black beans. Maybe not black beans, but some kind of bean. It's a good point. I should probably focus more on the black beans and edamame. Amazing. These are great. Okay, nuts and seeds, almonds. They're a great source of vitamin E and healthy fats. I do eat almonds here in Italy, but there's a bit of a controversy with almonds because of the whole thing with how the bees are treated to pollinate the fields. So that's apparently in California. I'm going to do some more research on that, but apparently here in Italy, they're fine. So it's okay. I guess do some research to see if you need them, but you do have all these other choices for nuts and seeds. Chia seeds, I eat every day. Flax seeds, I also eat every day. High in omega-3, fiber, and calcium. Excellent for heart health. Very good. Hemp seeds with the hemp milk, that goes together. I do eat hemp seeds as well. A tablespoon of each of these every morning, as well as walnuts. So I've got all these covered. And I do eat almonds, maybe 5 almonds a day or something like that. All right, veggies, spinach, broccoli, kale, carrots, and sweet peppers. Yes, spinach. I put that in my smoothie on a regular basis. Broccoli is great. You can put that in the freezer. You can freeze it and then just pop it in the microwave or steam it. Kale is also really good. I never ate kale before becoming vegan. Isn't that weird? I'm telling you the truth. I've been vegan now since June 27th, 2016. And before, I actually just never ate kale. Just never got exposed to it, never chose it, always had spinach or romaine lettuce. And now I eat kale all the time. And the key to it is really just you take this giant leaves and you go like this, and you just get off all of the leafy part. Don't eat the stem. That's pretty bitter. And then I chop it up and I add a little bit of tahini, which is sesame seed sauce. And I add some lemon juice in there, some nutritional yeast. If you don't know what that is, it's sort of like flakes that you can sort of shake on there, and it gives it kind of a cheesy flavor. Add a bit of pepper, couple of other things like maybe little carrot slices, right here, carrot slices, and sweet peppers. So, essentially what you need to do is eat the rainbow, just to eat a whole bunch of different colors of different foods. You got fruits here, blueberries also. I eat blueberries every day. Probably if you've seen my videos before, you've seen that I have something that I call dessert toast. So after lunch, I have one piece of whole grain toast. I put peanut butter on there without any added sugar, without any added salt, just ground up peanuts with like some chunks in there. And then I warm up some blueberries in the microwave and I squish them. And then I pour them on top and I eat it with a knife and fork. So good. So good, guys. I know you don't believe me, but your taste buds do change when you become vegan. The more healthy foods you eat, the more you start to crave them. And it is as good as a cookie or any other dessert. And I'd say sometimes even better because it's not overly sweet. Your palate gets used to healthy foods and then you crave them. Oranges, that's another thing. Yesterday on my toast, I actually put slices of orange instead of jam, because jam has extra sugar in it, right? So I just put the fruit directly. Plant-based proteins, tofu, yeah, I eat that regularly. Tempeh is something that's fermented, which is good for your gut microbiome. That's another thing that you can buy. My husband doesn't like it that much, and I'm okay with it. I got used to it. I just slice it up. It sort of looks like tofu, sort of white, kind of hardish type thing. And I just put some mustard on it. I sprinkle some noosh on there and some pepper, and I eat it like that. I know, you guys probably think it's crazy. Unless you're vegan, then you probably get it. But you can cut that up and put it into different stews, and there's all different ways of cooking tofu as well. Google different recipes for tofu. Plant-based milk, oat or soy, yeah, definitely. Awesome. We talked about that in just the last time. We talked to ChatGPT, fortified with calcium, vitamin D, and B12. So you can get your plant-based milk fortified with these things. Just remember, guys, as vegans, you have to take a B12 pill. It depends what amount you take. For years, I only took one once a week because I was getting my milk fortified. But here in Italy, there's no B12 added, so I have a pill every day or two. Why these choices? Health benefits. These foods provide a full spectrum of essential nutrients, including protein, fiber, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals, while minimizing saturated fats and cholesterol found in animal products. Ethical considerations. Plant-based foods eliminate harm to animals. That's important. Yeah. And they have a lower environmental impact compared to animal agriculture, supporting sustainability. Practicality. These items are accessible, versatile, and form the foundation of diverse, nutrient-rich vegan meals. So these choices align with recommendations of organizations like the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics. Yes, the largest body of healthcare professionals. Have a look at their statement. They say that a vegan diet is completely healthful for all stages of development, including infancy, childhood, teenagers, pregnancy, during lactation, when you're breastfeeding your baby, as long as you're getting enough variety of foods, and of course for seniors as well, and all stages of health, all stages of life. So there you go, guys. You see? ChatGPT is on our side. Isn't that great? All right, let me know in the comments below what you guys think. Do you like this kind of video? Do you like it when we interact with ChatGPT? Maybe I'm very curious about what else they would say. Let's see what happens if I type it and say, do you know who that vegan teacher is? And what should we ask ChatGPT about me? And can you tell me what she stands for? This will be interesting, because there's so many bad movies about me, different videos, right? All right. That Vegan Teacher is the online name, KADIE Karen Diekmeyer. Yeah, but you know what's interesting? They're missing one of my names. They don't actually have my name perfectly well written. Let's see what they're saying. I'm Canadian animal rights activist, ethical vegan, former teacher and nurse. I'm still a teacher, but I was working as a nurse in Canada before becoming a teacher. She gained widespread attention through her social media platforms, especially TikTok, where she uses songs, skits, educational videos to advocate for veganism and animal rights. What she stands for. Animal rights. She promotes the ethical stance that animals should not be exploited for food, clothing, entertainment, or other purposes. That's true. Veganism is a moral baseline. She believes that veganism is a fundamental ethical choice to reduce harm to animals and align human behavior with compassion and justice. Environmental sustainability. She highlights the environmental damage caused by animal agriculture, such as deforestation, water pollution, and greenhouse gas emissions. Yeah, it's true. I do all that. Health awareness. She educates about health benefits of a plant-based diet, including reduced risk of heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. Social justice. She connects veganism to broader issues of justice and equity, emphasizing the interconnectedness of human and animal rights. True. Her activism is often polarized, drawing both praise and criticism. Supporters commend her for standing firm in her convictions, while critics sometimes take issue with her delivery and confrontational approach. Yeah, I'm so tough. Despite the backlash, she continues to advocate passionately for a vegan world. Hey, that's interesting. Let's ask ChatGPT something. If you could meet that vegan teacher, in real life, what would you ask her? If you could only ask her one question. What do you think? What do you think ChatGPT would answer? How are they going to answer that? Let's see. If I could meet that vegan teacher in real life and ask her one question, I would ask, what keeps you motivated to continue advocating for animals despite the backlash and apathy you often face? Such a good question. I am really proud of you. That's really good. This question would reveal the inner resilience and driving force behind her activism, offering insight into how she maintains her focus and passion for saving animals in a world that often resists change. So here's my question to you guys. What do you think keeps me going? You guys who have been watching this channel for years, you guys have seen me over the years. You've seen so many videos where people speak negatively about my activism. What do you think makes me continue? And I think that ChatGPT actually knows. Let's see. Take a guess yourself about what her answer might be. Write it in one sentence. I wonder if ChatGPT. Her answer might be, I stay motivated because I know the animals need a voice. And even if just one person changes their heart and habits, it's worth every bit of the struggle. Good job. Good job, ChatGPT. You got it. You got me. And that's it, guys. That's our stream for today. Thank you so much for being here and hanging out with me and ChatGPT. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you follow, you subscribe, and we're going to be doing more of this in the future. And if you have any ideas of videos you want me to do, let me know also in the comments below. And thank you so much. Coming up are going to be a bunch of other videos. Click on them. Be curious. Look around my channel. And I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye for now.